and welcome back to a beauty tutorial. I'm very excited to show you the new, I guess it's been out for a little bit, but the Star Wars Mandalorian, the child, the powder eye palette. So I'm really excited to see this. As you can see, I've got my little Baby Yoda earrings on. Spoiler alert. So if you have not caught up with the show, stop watching right now and fast forward. But as we know, he's not really known as Baby Yoda anymore. His name is Grogu. So I'm not exactly sure how we feel about his name. As we remember when we first met him when he was just the wee child. But you know, from here on forward, we'll call him Baby Yoda just because people may not have been caught up yet. But Grogu has been his name that's been revealed. So we're gonna go through the child palette. Right now, I already have a lot of my face done. If you're watching my videos before, you know I love to start off, actually what I love to start off with is my primer. AJC, I just did a whole video. My friend created this makeup line, which is really awesome. As you can see it right there, she has a new holiday line coming out. And this is really good, so this is what I prime my face with. And if you've watched before, you know I love this. It's a little bit of a splurge, but this Christian Dior, it's Forever Skin Glow. I love it. It lasts a really long time. It lasts all day. It's great. And I have a little bit, we're going back to the old days, Lancome, the Juicy tubes. They brought these back. I got this over the summer and it just had such a flashback from middle school and everything. So, and then of course, I'm obviously gonna, hold on. And of course, after, I'm totally gonna use my my rose and lavender toner that I love. As you can see, as the bottle half went flying, I had just used it this morning. But we are here to talk about the child and this palette, and it is from Colourpop, as we see here. And they were thankful for me. How sweet. You know, Thanksgiving was just here. I'm sure they're very excited about all these palettes, which are super cute. And going to open it up, and it comes in really cute packaging, which all of us, like, I'm already sold, love Star Wars, anything, but anything that has to do with the child is super cute. So there's the front, and then we have the back, which tells you all the colors. The colors are called Precious Cargo, Right Hand Mando, Just Like Tatooine, Sipping Soup, oh, Baby Face, The Force, Little Frog, Float Your Crib, and Droid Protocol. So those are all the colors. So let's see what they look like as the little strip goes flying everywhere. I've opened it up, and look how cute this little mirror is. As you can see right there, the child is watching you as you get the cutest in the galaxy. So far I really like the colors in this palette. That's one reason why I really wanted it, is because as you saw in one of my other videos, I did the Slytherin makeup, which I am almost out of that kit because I loved it so much. But this has a lot of similar tones to it, a lot of greens. And I'll just go through and kind of show you what each one of them looks like, and then we'll do a quick eye, and so we can kind of get a feel of what this looks like on. And as you can see, this is all the colors right here. I think my favorite is going to be this Right Hand Mando. I love the shimmery, it's kind of like a silvery green tone to it. I really like the Sipping Soup also, and the Force. I mean, it's just all glittery and all really pretty, but this is kind of what all of them look like on. I just went in order, and as you can see what they look like, but we're gonna do a quick eye right now to see what these look like on. So let's get to it. tell with the palette, I really like it. I love the green tones. I think it looks so shimmery, it's so sparkly, perfect for the holiday season. I definitely would recommend this, especially if you're not into super heavy makeup. It has tons of light shades, but if you do want to do a little bit darker, they have that as well. I think it'll look really pretty on a lot of skin tones also, which is important to think about, but it's really cute, and the packaging is adorable. So even for that reason alone might be enough to get it, but I think it's super cute, and I really like how this look came together. I gave you a little preview of how the makeup looks. Like I always say, I am not a makeup artist by any means, so please, if I did something wrong or whatever, you know, just remember I'm not a makeup artist. I'm just someone who really loves these little fandoms and all these like cool collaborations that makeup brands are doing with, you know, they have Friends, Star Wars, I know I've done an It one before. They have so many different ones that go along with it. So I just hope you enjoyed it. And I think we'll say goodbye with our own little baby Yoda. So saying goodbye with our own little baby Yoda right here. See, and which one do you think is cuter? I don't know, they're both pretty cute. But she's like, get it away from me. But they're both really cute, and I really hope you enjoyed this makeup review and tutorial, and I really hope you enjoyed it. And I hope that if you're as big a fan as The Mandalorian and Star Wars that I am, that you'll go out and get this, especially if it's going to interest you. But thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. Bye!